Hi, in this video I will show you how to delete YouTube activity history. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to delete YouTube activity history, you have to watch this video to the last. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on your profile icon on the right top. Now from here you have to click on the settings, and here you have to click on the history and the privacy. Simply you have to tap on it, and here you will see multiple options. You have to click on the manage all activity. It will redirect you to the browser, and you will see page like this, and this is your history that you have watched on the YouTube. Now you have to delete it. Simply you have to click on the three lines on the left top, and a new screen is pop up. Now you have to click on the delete activity. Now you have to set the custom time. I select all the time, and now you have to click on the delete. Once you will click on the delete, your activity history will be deleted from your YouTube. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.